Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, September 27th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the Euro-US dollar. We're starting on the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour for the full top-down. So anyways, on the monthly, not a lot has changed on the monthly, obviously. We're sitting at the 78% fib. Now, we definitely do have two scenarios. My main scenario has been for a very long time that this is an expanding flat and that the euro dollar is going to go up to someplace around 1.34 to 1.36. That's my main analysis, and it still kind of is. But I definitely cannot rule out the possibility of this being an ABC pullback to this last move down. If this is just an ABC pullback to this last move down, it could bounce from the 78% and it could start a brand new downtrend. And that would make a lot of sense, honestly, on the monthly because these are all lower highs. So if it's lower high, lower high, lower high, and then another lower high right here to 78%, and then it just goes down and makes a new lower low, it definitely would make sense for it to do that. So going down to the weekly time frame, we don't really have any evidence whatsoever that this uptrend that started right here is over yet. This is definitely either a wave 3 or a wave C. If we can identify the end of this trend, anywheres around where it is now, then we will know that it's not a wave 3 of an expanding flat, but it's actually a wave C. And if it really is a wave C, then it would definitely be a complete trend reversal. So definitely very important to try to figure that out over the coming weeks and months. Going down to the daily, this is where I think it's very, very clear because we have one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up, higher high means that this is very likely in either an expanding ABC. The target for an expanding ABC would normally be the 161, 178, which puts us down to the 1.15 area to 1.12 area. It could also be a running ABC. A running ABC would make a higher low and normally turn around 100%, which would put us down to the 1.145 to 1.15 area. So either scenario, we are definitely still very bearish and we're definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, to me it looks like a wave 1 and a wave 2. It looks like we're in the wave 3 of either a running or an expanding ABC correction. If it really is a wave 3, then we can have all the pullbacks we want, but it needs to be lower high, and it needs to make another lower high, and it needs to keep on going down. Otherwise, it's not a wave 3. So if that's true, this move up right here should just be a pullback to this last wave down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we have our Fibonacci retracement on this wave down right here. We are definitely looking for one, two, three waves up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and then a golfing move to the downside for more entries to go short. As long as it doesn't go up and break this high right here, we know that we are still very likely in a wave 3 on the daily. And if it is a wave 3 on the daily, then this should continue to make lower lows, lower highs on like the 4 hour time frame, meaning on the shorter time frames like 1 hour range, we should definitely be looking at any move we see to the upside as likely just a pullback within a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.